Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a subfolder in Notes on LastPass. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on lastpass.com and then get on the left side. Now select Notes. Now right click on the folder name. Now select Create Subfolder option, which is the second last option on this list. Now select on it. Now you need to enter here the folder name and then select your current folder as the subfolder, or you can even create a new one. After that, now you need to select on save button, and that's how you guys can successfully create a subfolder of your existing folder in Notes on LastPass. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.